Okay, I'm headed outside. What a beautiful day. Not sunny, but it's relatively warm. I mean, it's not cold. It's fair, I should say. And I was just checking on my plants this morning. It's my little kale growing in. And last night I made a little bit of a mess probably with my dirt. Oh, not that bad. So I filled in a few things while it was getting dark. So those are my um, collards that are what I let them bolt, flower. It's such a pretty flower, and I believe the bees love the flowers on those and the kale like more than it seems like other flowers sometimes. My lettuce isn't moving too much. I've noticed it's kind of grown a little. A few of the leaves are dying. I've got to cut those off. And the ones on this side are growing again a little. This one, not so much at all. So I'm wondering if, and they did die a little bit when I had them in the pot for probably too long. But I did, what did I do? Oh, I did cut off some. That's what I was going to say. And I used some, like this one, I definitely used some of this one. You can see the small one right there that's flowing back. So, it's funny how the chamomile, when the sun's not out, this is what they look like. You see how the petals are going down, and it almost looks like a woman in the car, and her hair is in the wind, or her hair is hanging down. And then once it gets warmer, you see the little tiny ones are actually open, and maybe that's because there's a little ant there, um, and there's a little ant on that one as well. And so the ants are probably, they're getting a little honey from it or whatever they get from it. I guess ants get honey too. Um, Probably the wrong word there. But anyway, and that's my peppermint. But what I wanted to show you is the strawberries. So they're getting very red quick, which I thought they get bigger first and then they get red. Um, hmm. I haven't grown strawberries in a pot before. I did have these out here last year, and they didn't really do much. I don't even think they got red. I don't recall them getting red or blooming much. And so it wasn't a great year. We had cicadas last year, etc. But this year, they're just coming out. I did grow strawberries in the garden once, out there where the trees are, and where the sour cherry trees are, and the peach apricot slash what's the thing called, nectarines, I believe, tree. It's a fruit cocktail tree towards the back in the middle. Yeah, so I had a bed back there once before. It used to be watermelons, did great that year. And then after the watermelons, I did strawberries, I think that next year. And they came up like gangbusters in the ground. However, the squirrels and birds loved them because they must have been delicious. I think I got like 2 or 3 back then. But anyway, I see a little squirrel hopping around back there looking for stuff now. But anyway, this is the garden. Oh, and let me show you this while I'm out here.